The automotive world is abuzz with anticipation as Toyota continues its electrification journey, with the Toyota Aygo X 2027 emerging as a compelling compact crossover that blends urban practicality with advanced hybrid technology. Though Toyota has yet to confirm full specifications for the 2027 model, recent developments suggest that the Aygo X will build on the success of its latest hybrid iteration, which already claims the lowest co-emissions of any non-plug-in car in its class in Europe. From a design standpoint, the forthcoming Aygo X is rumored to adopt a more assertive and expressive aesthetic that aligns with Toyota's modern European design language. Sources indicate that the refreshed vehicle will incorporate features such as a bold front grille, updated LED headlights, and wider wheel arches that heighten its compact yet muscular stance. Black contrasting elements and larger alloy wheels are also expected to form part of the visual identity, projecting a premium feel uncommon in the A segment. Under the bonnet, the Aygo X 2027 is widely expected to continue refining Toyota's hybrid powertrain technology, leveraging the familiar 1.5-liter engine and electric assist seen in the current Yaris-derived hybrid setup. This configuration has already delivered sharper acceleration and improved driving dynamics, combining spirited performance with remarkable fuel efficiency, capabilities that should carry over and perhaps be enhanced in the next generation. Inside the cabin, industry watchers predict a significant uplift in both connectivity and comfort features. The latest Aygo X models already offer digital displays, wireless smartphone integration, and advanced driver assistance systems as standard or optional equipment. It would be unsurprising if the 2027 version includes larger infotainment screens, cloud-connected services, and even more sophisticated safety technology, all designed to meet the expectations of urban drivers who demand both convenience and peace of mind. Toyota's commitment to sustainability is likely to be echoed through the use of eco-conscious materials and manufacturing processes within the new Aygo X. Recent trends from the brand's European production facilities point to the adoption of recycled and plant-based materials, improved logistics efficiency, and reduced carbon footprints across vehicle life cycles. Such measures not only enhance environmental credentials but also appeal to a growing segment of eco-aware consumers. As Toyota prepares to launch the Aygo X 2027 into showrooms, the model is poised to redefine expectations for compact urban crossovers. With its blend of hybrid efficiency, striking design cues and enhanced technology features, the next generation Aygo X could well set new benchmarks in its class, proving that small cars need not compromise on sophistication or innovation.